Kind of screwed up there. So what we're talking about today, folks, is basically scales and chords. So we've been kind of on A minor for a while, talking about A C E and C E A, E A C. So, we were looking at how to play that A minor arpeggio in different, I don't know if you call it inversions, but you start on one note, A, C, E, and then the next time you go C, E, A. So you keep moving up. So we talked about that a few weeks ago. You can check out some of those other videos. So we're going to kind of continue with that a little bit. So A minor is in the key of C major. So if let's just look at a C major scale, because everything starts with C major. So there's a freaking train out there. I live by a train. Okay. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So there's no sharps and flats in that. Yeah. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. You can try to sing it if you want. So that's probably what you should do. You would probably be a really good singer. I never did that when I was younger. So as we go up those notes, I'm going to teach you guys what the chords are that goes under those different scale tones. So starting with C, it's going to be C. That's going to be major. So it's going to be a C major chord. You can play it anywhere you want. You know what I'm saying? You can find the different places, on your guitar to play it. So that's C major. So when you go up to the second note, which is that D, that's going to be minor. So the second one's going to be minor. The third one's going to be minor again, so that's going to be E. So we're just working our way up. C, D, E. Okay? So we got major, minor, minor. Major, minor, minor. Major, minor, minor. Just playing it in different positions, in different ways that you, instead of just keeping it and making it boring or whatever, trying to give you some spice to your life. So that's that E minor. So the next one, when we get to the F, that's going to be major. So C major, D minor, E minor, F major. Okay, and so we got major, minor, minor, major. Now we're going to hit dominant 7. That's after that dominant 7, when we get to the A, I'm sorry, yeah, when we get to the A, after the dominant 7, the A is going to be minor. So we're back to where what we've been working on all this time, the A blues, A minor. A, C, E, A, C, E, A, C, E, and then the seventh note, the seventh one we're going to get to, which is the B, is going to be a diminished. So it's going to sound like, I don't know how to play that in different, let me see how to, let me see. Yeah. I'm doing this in real time. This is how I figure stuff out. I just kind of, I noodle on the guitar to put a little theory with. And so after that diminished, we come back to C major. So you could go. If you're on an electric guitar, you could just kind of keep going up, but I cannot get up there. I'll try to get right there, I kind of get it a little bit and then C. Something like that, get up there. So let's put those chords with the scale. We were working on the minor, the A minor pentatonic. So A, C, E. I don't have a looper, so I cannot loop this. If I could loop it, you could hear it a little bit better. Go to the C, and let's play that second inversion, C, E, A. After we play the C, and we're jumping around here. We're not really. We're playing the chords. We're playing the chords in the C major scale. In the C major scale, we're playing those chords because we just learned what all the chords are that fit to that. So as we practice it, we can jump around. Come to E, E minor, and we can play the E, A, C. So as I play that, I'll notice that, hey, those notes, they're in there, the E, C, A. I mean, E, A, C. So you can, you could just mess around. C might. Let's see. You can even create a song. You could try to create a song with it. So if you hear certain chords you like, like the D minor maybe, and you start playing that with C. Sorry. And if you play with the melody, like record that in a tape recorder or something, tape recorder, right? What's a tape? What is tape? What's a CD? Yeah, I know. Some people, the tape is a thing we used to have in the 80s, that 70s and 80s, where we had to record stuff. So for those that don't know, young people. So as you figure out little melodies, you might go, so I'm playing those inversions. I'm just making up things as I go. Now you don't have to jump, or I'm jumping around. I'm jumping up to like, instead of doing that, I need to find the notes, the C, E, A down here. So I don't have to jump up there. So if I go C, E, A, I could do that. I could do C, E, A. And if I want to go A, C, E, I could go A, where's C? A, C, A, C, E. Nope, I'm sorry. Where's E? Yeah, A, C, E. See, even I'm slow at this stuff. A, C, and then where's E? Yeah. So as I'm finding stuff, I'm just kind of creating my own like little song. F major 7 could go there, or I could do the G dominant 7 back to the D minor. So this is how you kind of make up songs, little patterns, rhythms, and things, and just kind of play with stuff. But normally when I'm sitting down to play, if I find something that's interesting, like that C, E, A, like I said, I'll find the scale underneath my fingers. I'll go, oh, okay, that sounds good. So I'll start practicing that with. I'll try to work it into a rhythm. Never played that before. That was kind of wrong. I didn't mean to go there, but it kind of still worked. I meant to go. I don't know what I meant to do, actually, to be honest with you. Let me stop lying. But I seriously though, I will come up. I'll find little patterns and scales, and we just kind of people teach us stuff. Like I'm teaching you guys something. I'm teaching you. And then you'll start playing with it. You guys will start making up crazy stuff, sounding really good, and we'll just share it on YouTube. So Seeing how many bad notes I can play. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that lesson. Hope you got something out of it. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Peace.